Dear students, welcome to biology class. In previous class, we learned about nutrition and modes of nutrition. Today, we are going to learn in detail about autotrophic nutrition. What are autotrophs? Autotrophs means the organisms which can prepare their own food. అంటే ఏవైతే వాటి ఆహారాన్ని అవి సొంతంగా తయారు చేసుకోగలుగుతాయో ఆ జీవుల్ని ఆటోట్రోప్స్ అంటారు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ దట్? ప్లాంట్స్. The plants can prepare their own food by utilizing simple inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, water, in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll. They can prepare complex food substances like glucose, starch, and cellulose. Plants are the only organisms which can prepare food for entire living organisms including human beings. That's why plants are called as universal providers or producers. Why? Because plants are producing food for entire living beings. We are directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. So plants are called as producers. So in which process plants are preparing their food? The process is named as photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? Photon means light. Synthesis means putting together. That means plants are preparing their food by utilizing carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to form glucose. Photosynthesis is the process by which living plant cells containing chlorophyll produce food substances from carbon dioxide and water by using light energy. So this is the definition of photosynthesis. Definition and equation of photosynthesis are very much important for your examination purpose. So you should learn the definition and the equation. Photosynthesis is a complex process which occurs in several steps. Several intermediary compounds are formed in this process. Scientists had tried to formulate a simple equation for photosynthesis over past 200 years. An equation that was readily accepted and is still widely used is the one which is formulated by C.B. Van Niel in the year 1931. As per his opinion, for formation of each molecule of carbohydrate, one molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen is produced. అంటే ఫోటోసింథసిస్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు ఒక కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ మాలిక్యూల్ తయారైతే దానితో పాటుగా ఒక వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఇంకా ఒక ఆక్సిజన్ మాలిక్యూల్ కూడా ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతాయని చెప్పి ఈయన ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. అండ్ హీ వాజ్ కండక్టెడ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ విత్ పర్పుల్ సల్ఫర్ బ్యాక్టీరియా అండ్ ఫౌండ్ light plays a specific role in photosynthesis. This purple sulfur bacteria uses hydrogen sulfide instead of water. Here there is no formation of oxygen during the process of photosynthesis in purple sulfur bacteria. Later he envisioned that similar process of photosynthesis will also occur in plants. So in the photosynthesis process of purple sulfur bacteria, it is utilizing hydrogen sulfide so that sulfur gas is evolved. So plants are utilizing water, so oxygen gas is evolved. Like that he envisioned a similar process for photosynthesis. After that, Robert Hill showed O2 is released from water. రాబర్ట్ హిల్ అనే సైంటిస్ట్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్లో రిలీజ్ అయ్యే ఆక్సిజన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ నుంచి రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ నుంచి కాదు అని చెప్పి ప్రూవ్ చేశారు. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ వాజ్ మోడిఫైడ్ యాజ్ ఫాలోస్: 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to, in the presence of light and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. So, by the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare carbohydrates like simple carbohydrate, glucose, and complex carbohydrates like starch and cellulose. Plants are also capable of producing all other compounds like proteins, fats, etc. So that plants are called autotrophs. Animals are not capable of synthesizing carbohydrates by their own, so that they will depend upon plants for food. So we can say that photosynthesis is the basic energy source for most of the living world. So let us study how plants prepare carbohydrates through photosynthesis. So here is an activity which is helpful to find the presence of starch in leaves. Let us know how to conduct this activity in the next class.